Here is two sparrows enjoying the water in the bath and having a good time. Let's see what else they're gonna do. Those cuties. They've been staying there for quite a while now, just playing with the water, having a little drink. Super, super cute. Oh, now they're getting into their feet in the water and taking a little shower. Oh, the other one is too, and the other one is doing it. So cute, so cute. So cute. I just love watching them. Oh, there's another one. What will he do next? Let's see. From drinking to feet in the water and